Okay, let's see if it works. It seems to. And let's go, I guess. Just let me get my dev thingy. Right, so I need to lower the music because it's right in my ears. Yeah, I should probably use a proper one. Which reminds me that I have done some changes to the game. But it's nothing to... Wait a second, what the hell is this? Oh, this suppresses directoral apparently. Is it even necessary at all? Ah, never mind. Okay, quick note for those who are not up to the Discord changes. So I basically figured out how the in-game timer works in this game, which is really strange because it doesn't keep track of how many frames it's drawing. It's actually a thing more close to, I would say, a real-time timer. Let me show you. 1 second. How is it? WinMain. Where the hell are you, WinMain? There we go. Okay. So this formula calculates the in-game timer, which is an initial timer fired when the game starts, a final timer which gets updated sometimes, and then this vsync option here, which retrieves the current vsyncs fired by the emulated GPU, which is which I have emulated, I would say. 1 second, not team. Sorry, emergency. Let me get back to what I was saying. So, I'm pretty much emulating the vsyncs of the PlayStation, which I do through a timer, which I can actually change a bit, I think. Time get system time. Hello, Cadmus. Welcome. Let's see. I think there is a function called time get time 64. Yes, there is. Actually, no, there is no time get time to avoid wraparound. Well, apparently there is a way to do this. Let's see, but I need a cached page, it seems. Let's see, get time, duration. Yeah, apparently there is a way to return current time in milliseconds. Otherwise, use STD chrono system clock. Oh well, never mind. This shouldn't be an issue. I mean, this timer here uses a millisecond resolution timer, which pretty much starts firing as soon as Windows starts, and it resets when after 49 point something days, which is not really the case, and it wraps around, but even if it wraps around, it doesn't make any change. And I have a PSX T base, which is the timer base for this. And then it does this conversion here, which changes from milliseconds to V frames, since the PlayStation can only do like 60 frames per second. So this is pretty much the trick around this. So it returns, instead of milliseconds, it returns the actual V frames, the V syncs, or synchrony signals, and whenever you use this, you can calculate the final time, which I can show you here. And this thing used to be influenced by the freaking turbo mode. So whenever I do this, see, it starts ticking already. And if I load the game, let's see what happens. If I load the game from here, see how it updated now? It's 1 minute and 35. It should actually reset as soon as I get past this. Yeah, now it's 1 and 17. And it keeps ticking all the time, even when it's loading. And this is actually a real timer. It's in real time, so it doesn't... I mean, that's why also movies affect this. But the fun thing is that this timer does not in any way influence... I mean, since it's real time, watch it stop here. And then when I go back to it, it keeps ticking. So even if the application is doing absolutely nothing, it keeps increasing, see? Let's try and do this again. Let's just wait for a few seconds. It should add something like 10 or 20 seconds, depending on how long it takes me. See? It took 10 seconds there. So whatever you do, it just increases that time. Maybe I should probably add a way to make it not do that in case you're stopping the game. But the fact is that if I do speed the turbo mode, if I change the speed of the game, as you can see, it keeps ticking regularly. So it's not affected in any way by the turbo mode, unlike Resident Evil 1 and 2. And I'm not sure yet if I should include a way to manipulate this. Should I? Because I'm not quite sure how to handle this. I was considering the idea of making it behave more similarly to how the original works, which, I mean, the original, not on PlayStation, but the original in-game timers, which just count frames, and that would probably be a better way to do it. I don't know. What would you suggest? I mean, I would keep these this mode as a legacy speed. Actually, let me even add something like a legacy speed here. Let's see. I probably need to add here somewhere a legacy frame rate. Actually, where the hell is stuff like tactical reload? Where the hell do I put them in Resident Evil 2? I don't remember anymore. Also, Slave Gal 3 is now following. Thank you and welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Jill Speed Gear. Is that a Mega Man reference? So what would you from the audience suggest, guys? What would you do? Would you add a separate mod or just make me disable turbo mode under certain conditions? Because I'm still not supporting any speedruns for this since it's Source Next version anyway. And speedrun.com doesn't accept Source Next at all. It just supports MediaKite, Taiwanese, and Chinese versions. Oh, thank you for the message, Slave. Thank you, thank you. So what do I do with this? I mean, I have an idea. First of all, in the turbo mod that I used was actually affecting this thingy here. Talos, benvenuto. Sorburger, welcome. So guys, this piece of code here is pretty much how the game manages that message that appears whenever the game is loading data or starting a new game. I was kind of tempted to just make it either skippable or affected by the... Actually, you know what? Let's just rewrite this all together. So, let's see. Let's make a R3 PC. Actually, no, this is not R3 PC. Let's add a R3 init, I think. Maybe it's best if I add R3 init.cpp and yes, please. And R3 memcards.cpp. Since I already have RE3 title here, which is a reprogrammed title screen, or part of it anyway. But I want to also override some of the other stuff. They don't accept the Source Next version because it is significantly slower, right? Yes, that's also a reason. Plus, it doesn't have an SRT. I'm not sure why it's not accepted, but the fact is that the game is significantly slower in vanilla version because the doors are bugged, stuff like that. It's kind of weird actually how it works. But it's definitely a weird one. So let's go for init here and let's reprogram this thing. So let's rewrite this. Also, I think I might need to change how this works because I'm pretty sure... Yeah, this needs to be redone entirely, I think. Plus, this should be useful for... Let's see. Wait a second. Stereo. Also, let's see. Let's go to global and let's do 2-1. What was it? 2-1-1-5. 2-1-1-5. 1-1-1-1-5. Okay, there we go. Let's make this a byte. So field 2-1-1-5. Field 2-1-1-5. There we go. And let's add 6 and 7. Okay, there we go. Then from here, let's copy the whole thing. Let's see, is loading is a byte. There we go. And then, is it not possible to make it inversion as fast as media guide? What exactly makes it slower? Do you know? Well, if the automation it needs some treatment, what do you think? I don't know. There is a PC version of Animusha 3. Is it not possible to make this version as fast as media guide? Okay, so the thing with the difference between media guide and SourceNet currently is just the fade out of the doors. I mean, the fade in actually. Well, no, it is actually fade out and then fade into the door. But technically, there's those few frames of extra between each door, which could be an issue, I guess. And for the time being, let's just make this okay, this should be also, why is it spaces? Make it okay, there we go. Oh, I didn't even know about that. Okay, if I remember, how many... Okay, there we go. And V0, what the hell is V0 here? B6, B6, B6. What the hell is B6? Okay, okay. V6 is just a switch, I think. So the thing here is that the game is doing something real weird. So okay, let's try and change this to be more like this. Let's rewrite this. Why is it so weird? also, why is this +2? And why is... oh yeah, this message is externally defined. And I think this can actually be defined here, extern C, this message attribute and the stuff. Okay, let's see, what's V0? Okay, V0 doesn't exist, so let's remove this case here. And V6 is just... okay, let's change this to V6 and let's change 6 to AI. Now let's change this to I++. If it equals 3, break the thing all together. Let's change it again, I guess. There's actually no real difference, I would say. Okay. But now let's put it like this. Okay, this should give me all the stuff that I need. But I think there is... where the hell are you? Okay, there it is. Okay, this might actually be a little more complex because I still need to keep track of Japanese messages. Oh, wait a second. The Japanese message for this is exactly identical to English because it uses the same exact data. But I don't want it. Yeah, the thing is that IGT is kind of broken. Who's the better program? Or Rick from Dino Crisis? Rick from Dino Crisis probably does the puzzles that you see on Regina's screen. But it just does those. Let's see. Let's add... okay, there is only one chance left. Whoops, no. What? Why? I just changed the table. Okay, now it's correct. Perfect. So it has two lines which are written separately. Which is this here. 1, 2, 1, 2. And this is a repetition, so it doesn't have to be like this. Okay, I get it. It does. Okay. I think I understand finally how this works. I think I understand it. Let's see. Okay, yes, loading is not a symbol. Who bless the stream? Oh, the factor. Thank you, thank you. Okay, it's missing display message. Come on. One failed. Okay, it compiled. Oh yeah, the broken emote. Try now, it should be fixed. See, it's fixed now. Okay, the code is now a lot better, I would say. I got a 30. I'm rewriting some of the code to not interfere with the in-game timer. That's what IGT stands for. Actually, let's do it like this. For the time being, let's just keep this to a minimal, I would say. Okay. This is a little dirty trick which I'm using. Shouldn't really do this. Or you're able to get by using. No. That's not even a real weapon. Also, what is 180 in frames? It means it's 2-3 seconds? Yeah, so frames is correct, I guess. Should work either way. Also, I can re-enable this. Let's do this. Let's see. No. Okay, perfect. Okay, the injection should be pretty much done this way. So this should fix any kind of issue, really. Okay, this seems alright, I would say. Now, for the real trick, I need to install this hook inside util. Let's see, how is it? Yeah, let's add it here, I guess. Okay. Let's try and debug this.
Resident Evil.
Okay. Okay, you can see it on screen while I do this. Bam.
Resident Evil.
Okay, this works with turbo mode now. Good. Though I'm not sure if it's a 3 seconds. I can actually short this to... Actually, no. Oh my god. I need to remember what the hell the input stuff is. Don't... Bloodstalk is now following. Thank you and welcome. Also, why does this lack a pragma once? What?
Resident Evil.
Instant loading. Should work the same here as well. There we go.
Resident Evil.
A specific folder and load found assets. It actually already has that. Okay.
Resident Evil. Resident Evil.
What do you say? Should I keep 3 seconds between each? Actually, I think it's more like 4 second action currently. You can actually just add some files and they override. I have them here. I can show you. I have some folders with files overriding and they read. They also have the Brovs stuff. Yeah, that's how it works. It's been there for a while now. It supersedes any files in the data. So it's already there. Okay, now we have a way to skip this goddamn thing, which pretty much skips everything. Actually, let me see if this still works in English. It should. I think it should still work in English.
Resident Evil.
Okay, that also. But I think this might actually be too fast. So let's let's make it slightly faster, but still readable. 150 should be enough. It's a good compromise. So let's remove the old code that is useless. And there we go. Removed all the useless crap. There. And let's condense the codes. Okay. Good, good, good. Everything should be in order here. So one thing that I wanted to do is done. Now we have a way to do things a little special, I would say. So now the game can skip text and Turbo mode actually doesn't interfere anymore with the game, or at least it doesn't interfere with the base way it works. I actually wanted to add a way to make Turbo mode affect the in-game timer, though the calculation might actually be a little tricky. And MJRs is now following. Thank you and welcome to the stream. So this solves one issue that I was having, which was the VSync thing pretty much destroying the in-game timer because of an internal multiplier, and maybe the actual way to do that would have been to just update the internal timer, I guess. I don't know yet how to do this correctly, but since turbo mode is disabled in speedruns, I don't think it actually poses much of a threat, but it does seem to break some of the cutscenes, so I think there is a way to disable turbo mode for the freaking cutscenes. There is a flag that the game uses just for those, and it should keep everything safe to use. But still, I need to figure out a better way to just deal with these issues. Now, for the other trick that I was thinking about, what I wanted to do was rewrite the stupid memory card screen to be more, I would say, effective. Also, I don't think any of this code is useful, because all it does is it executes some tasks. So the task for the memory card should be called just memcard, if I remember correctly. Yes, it is called memcard. So next step, replace the memory card screen pretty much entirely, and in a way that actually makes this functional. I think I might also I need to address one thing with this game, which is pretty annoying, and I think I will just add an option to the title screen for this, which is infinite weapon. When you unlock them in the mercenaries, whatever Globark said. So whenever you start a new game and you have the unlocked ammo from mercenaries, all the new games created from there just have infinite ammo, which is not a good thing, because if you don't want the infinite ammo, you should be able to tell the game if you want to use them or not. And Dino Crisis has an actual good solution to this, which is a simple splash screen, which asks you if you want or not the infinite ammo, which is pretty much just a toggle which goes, do you want to use this, yes or no? And if you select whatever, the game will be influenced for that save file. But I want this to be the same with Resident Evil 3. So should I add like an extra caption just after you select the outfits? Because it doesn't affect previously created saves. It just affects new game from there. Also, hello there, Set Poets. Welcome. The boutique key, yes and no. I mean, I could show you what happens. Give me 1 second. I'll show you what happens if I use the boutique key.
Resident Evil.
Oh wait, what am I? What am I?
Resident Evil.
Get that scum. Make him gum.
Take care.
The boutique is fully functional. But let's see what happens if I change out. Actually, it works. I think I might have fixed the issue here. It does exist on PC. The thing is, there is a hack to do that. Also, I never realized that the boutique actually has a reflex on the lights at the top. Nice. No, the key still exists. Everything from the PlayStation version still exists. It's just hidden, I would say. Also, my god, the wobbliness of this is just hideous. Also, the boutique doesn't give you back the... It doesn't actually give you the regular one. I'm trying to rewrite the memory card screen, but as you can see, guys, the game is perfectly functional in this regard, so the boutique is working fine. It's just disabled. There is a hack to actually enable it back, and I think I might actually include a way to access the boutique within the game if you just want to, but there's no real reason to shopping percent. So now the thing is that I want to rewrite how the memory card screen works, but the thing is the memory card screen is a little a tricky one. You just have the last square of the map green. Oh, you mean for completionists? I think D-Factor might actually like this one because he always wants to get everything, and exploring the boutique would be a way to do that. Well, I could just add the boutique key to the inventory. It shouldn't really take very long to do. There is code in the game which adds the extra weapons and other keys and stuff. Also gives you infinite ammo. No. I could just do it like the original does. And see, he's kept jamming. He likes the idea. He approves. So it's good for me. Okay, let's inspect. Okay, first hour is gone and I still haven't tackled the memory card screen. So I did some research into the memory card screen and it seems to be a little weird in how it works. It is a little weird, I would say. Oh. Please show me the actual code, thank you. Also, why does it not say that it's pushing that? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, this memory card screen is a tricky one because it still has all the PlayStation code intact. They just changed some references, like you cannot select a memory card, you just have one prompt and stuff like that. Why change memory card screen? Add more slots? Yes, that's exactly the point. Current one is just emulating straight away the original memory cards, which is not a good way. But the thing is, I want to make sure that the new code exports the memory cards that are in the files. Export them, import them into the new format, which is not really a new format, it's just whatever the game uses in a straightforward way. Because when you open this file here, actually not this one, but this one, it's pretty much an emulated memory card. Well, it's missing bits because it doesn't have anything else besides the listings. Well, you wouldn't be able to make saves for the original, but you're not even playing the original anymore at that point. Plus, I think you can actually import saves from memory card utilities if you must do that. So every 8K of data you have a block in here. This is how it works. Though I'm not quite sure how much data it actually writes to the save files. So this might be kinda easy to do, to redo. But anyway, the game is still using like a lot of stuff like this test events, which I recreated from PlayStation. And let's see. I wonder what the hell this is. I think this is an exit flag. Could it be an exit flag? This is, I don't know what it is. I'm assuming it's something for the whatever controllers. Then we have all these things here. These are the main pad handlers for the memory card, and these are the functions that it uses. Most of these are just displaying the list, and then there's 7 more functions which do whatever. So it's 20 here. And it's 20 here as well, so I pretty much need to replicate how this works. No, not yet. I grew bored of the movie playback. I'll put an hotfix whenever I can find a way to make that not skip when it's not intended to. But for the time being, I really need to figure out what the hell these are. I mean, I could replicate most of them, I would say. Also, these are actually sounds. It's not fade set. It's not fade set. Fade set. I need to rename this some way. Also, key trigger. I don't remember what the keys are. I need to check exactly how the keys work in this one. Ciao Marchino. Non dormi ancora? Let's see. What could this be? Okay, most of these are just input stuff. As you can see, it's just key trigger, pad trigger. Pad trigger is usually raw PlayStation input used for directions, and key trigger are the remappable keys, which don't really exist. Sono in mezzo a una catalessi. Anch'io. Okay, task sleep. But let's give it this a name. $396. Okay, and this is where it does the thingy. Okay, let's change this to dear entry. Yes, please change the tie. Oh, come on. Is this restarting? Yes, it's restarted. Does this work? That doesn't seem to. Oh, it does. No, it doesn't. What? There's no sound? No sound. Oh, there's only video. What the fuck is going on with this? Ah, whatever. Okay. Need good music. Nice, download. I was actually going to use something else, but whatever. What could this function actually do? Also, why is it so low? Much better now. Okay. Is it the same? No. I don't know what this is.
Monsters?
Maybe. So this is controller plus behavior, I guess. See again, mem card in. Field E. What the hell is field E? Hello, bunny. Isn't this... Oh, this is when you actually save. but it's already 9. So it either goes to 10 or 3. So 10 would be... Okay, I think I know what this is. So next thing to check is 18. Is this actually waiting for the save to be done? Ah, the heck is this? And give me 1 second. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is the memory card function, which I have absolutely no idea what it is. I don't think it's even returning anything. Okay, never mind. This is actually returning. Okay, okay, it is returning. So I would assume our 3 is memory card error. But this is not even what I needed. Wait, what? I just told you to show as hexadecimal. Actually, no. Let's just show it as decimal. So from 6 to 11, they're all displaying stuff. Okay, you know what? I really need a break. 1 second. I need some infusion to drink. Can you guys wait 5 minutes? 5 minutes and then I'll be back with some infusion and we'll tackle more of this. Okay? Don't leave. See you in a bit.
Ouch!
Hey guys, I'm back with some instant chamomile. Oh, and nobody left. Thanks everybody for your patience. So while I was making the infusion, I was thinking, what I really need to understand is where the heck does the game actually write the data and saves the data? Because besides that, I can just use the original Resident Evil 1 code, which recreates the thing entirely. And this might actually be the trick. Okay, Eddie. So this is the file, this is the buffer thing, and this is the size. I guess. And this is the name. It is indeed that. Yes, enjoy one of the best Mega Man X soundtracks, though the game was really rubbish. I really like this one. Also, let's see. There we go. Now we have one more figured out. Yeah, this is indeed the big shell enemy. Okay, I guess I get... Okay, this is reading the data and... Okay, so the game uses 2312 bytes to set and restore things. And this is pretty much where it does the trick. There we go. So what I needed to know is exactly here. Let's see. Actually, no. I need to skip the header bytes, which were 5 and 12. So let's go for 2, 3, 12. Or maybe not. Oh. Segneeds87 is now following. Thank you, welcome to the stream. Also, hello there, Insane BB. What can be better than watching stream and drink some vodka with good food? I don't have any vodka, that's the problem. I'm just drinking chamomile right now. And do your own hacking, that's also a good one. Since in my streams you can usually find bits of useful information, I guess, about formats and whatnot. Which reminds me that I have to do a live stream whenever I figure out how to draw properly the rigged models. So, let's see. Yeah. This is definitely the base for when it reads data. So let's do it like this. Let's. If I change this to a void now, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't do this either. So let's try with this. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see, 1C0. How large is this? Okay, maybe it is exactly how large it has to be. Okay, let's try and convert 23. Was it 2312? 2312 to hexadecimal is 908. Plus 10C, it should be A14. Let's see if this is correct. This should be... Oh, no. But it seems to be pretty close, I would say. Actually, let's save just in case. Okay, this is going to take a while before... Oh no, never mind. Okay, this was more like it. Okay, and let's skip this as the read buffer. I wonder what the hell is at A4? What the hell is A4? Oh, wait a second. Don't tell me this is... So this might actually be this... Oh... I think I'm starting to... For the cooldown like... With chili inside? Jesus, that sounds like a death cocktail. Oh, I'm still on BRB. Jesus.
Monsters?
You missed the action then. I pretty much found where the stuff is. There are many good. I think I have that one. So if this is mem card read file, I bet there is another one which saves the data, or doesn't it? Ah, no, it doesn't. So this is list data, and this is, well, this is listing again. Where the hell is the saving function? This is loading more data, I would say. Actually, no. Wrong one. The hell is this? Okay, I think this is subtracting link ribbons. And Mayor Gaming is now following. Thank you and welcome to the stream. Okay, there we go. Now we should have something a little more suitable for this. I don't think this is correct either. It may be undefined. Okay, let's change this to a bot. Seems to work now. And this X value should be the ink ribbon, I think. Let's see, let's check the debug module here. Let's Okay, 81 is the ink ribbon. Okay, so this is indeed search item. Come on, move it out. Please, game. Come on. Okay, I have an idea. Okay. I have no idea what this is, but whatever. It returns the item value and oh my god, what the hell? Oh well, whatever, we don't care about this much. So this decreases the... Actually no, because apparently there is a way to save with infinite... Oh wait, there's actually one instance where the ink ribbon can be infinite, so it doesn't decrease it. Okay. I guess this thing here can be used in some ways. It's not even save prepare, it's just saving, I guess. So I need to sort of recreate this. If I can figure out what the hell most of these are. And this is the actual stuff that writes. And it's only used here. The thing is, I don't remember exactly how memory cards do the trick, but I think it's actually the entire thing. So 2, 3, 12. Doesn't make any sense because it's still missing these values here. So what the hell is it even doing? Is it skipping? Okay, so this would be some of these are... What the hell was the structure of a memory card? Okay, this is the thingy. It's save info and 64 bytes should be the title and it is there. Then you have a padding, I think, of 32 bytes. And then the red... Actually, no. This should be all padding if I remember correctly, but I don't remember what this is. It's either padding or the icon, maybe? Could it be the icon? It could be the icon, actually. Let's see. How large are the icons in the games? It should actually be 128. So 128, and this is the clat. Yeah. So this is the padding. This 28 bytes are the padding, and then from here on it should be the actual data. So 2,312 bytes. So this is the actual data that I need to pull. So it's this plus the boy. Are you leaving? I have to go. Thanks for the stream. See you next time. So much of this is padding. Blatant, boring padding. Two, 3, 1, 12. I don't know what this is, but whatever. I think this is pretty much the thing that I need to use. Unless there's extra data that I need to take into account, which I don't think it is. And there might be a okay, this is just building the string name. So give me a second here because I'm not quite understanding exactly. So this buffer, oh wait a second, this is the title end. What? It's using the title end like that? What? Okay, never mind. This is just using some of the data that I might need, but not quite also. Okay, let's take the Resident Evil 1 memory card screen, which was called... what the hell was it called? I don't remember what the name was. What the hell was it? Oh. I don't remember anymore where I have the Resident Evil 1 save module. Maybe it's just called save. There it is. Yeah, there it is. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's make a quick Let's make a quick way to get out of this. This is going to be a long one to redo. Okay, the list should be working fine. Yeah, it does work. Now for this, okay, a good deal of this needs to be rewritten. Why doesn't it have get time? It doesn't have get time? Why don't you have get time, god damn it? Can I shoehorn get time from here. Because I think I might actually have added this just for Resident Evil 1, so... Also, why there's no definition of U64? We go. Now we have the missing types. And there we go. Now... it's still missing a lot of stuff, I would say, but I think I can probably... Okay, sound effect I say on should be changed to something else, I guess. And I also need to add stuff like this, I say. Also, why didn't I use a freaking name for this crap? You know what, I'd be really damn tempted to make this work like Dino Crisis 1 and 2 with just have 99 slots and then some data. It would actually be a lot easier to deal with. But it's not like I can outpass it anyway, so... Okay, first thing first. Oh no, you don't. If you have the source next videos, you just use those. It's not mandatory at all, so don't worry too much about it. Oh. Don't I have something to export the freaking thing? Okay, there we go. Save, move, saves. I have it. So don't remember where it is, but whatever. I can probably change this. Okay. Is the music already over? What are you gonna do with those 10,000 points? Also, hello there, Borman. BK84, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Wait, doesn't the newer collection actually have fixed input and stuff like that? Okay. Perfect. This should take care of this crab. Can it be really? Okay. Hmm. Where is my EC? Oh, there it is. And I think this is going to take a long while to go. Like a really long while. Okay. This should take care of it, I think. Oh, it's almost 3 a.m. Oh, wait a second. Aren't they actually based on the PC versions? Pretty sure they are. Unless something went real south there. Well guys, since this is getting a little too boring and not very interesting, maybe it's probably better if I just end the stream. I mean, it's been 2 hours and it's almost 3 a.m. Maybe I should get some sleep.
Oh my god!
Let's see. Well, let's raid Insane BB. Good night, everyone. Take care and say hello to Insane when you get over there. Good night and take care. Tequila. Actually, let me spam that.
Take care.
To you all. See ya.